This punch can break glass, underwater, and it doesn't just hit, it creates an explosion. The water around it boils, not metaphorically. Literally, it moves so fast, it vaporizes the ocean around it and creates a bubble 4,000 degrees Celsius, nearly as hot as the surface of the sun. And if it misses, the shockwave still kills you, are the Mantis shrimp. And this punch changes everything. You are smaller than a human hand. You live in a hole in the sand, and you are the most dangerous thing in the water. Nothing about you makes sense, but you were not always this. You hatched into open ocean, transparent, drifting, no shell, no weapon, no place to hide, just you. And the ocean, and everything in it that was hungry. Most of your siblings didn't make it. You did, and after weeks of drifting, you sank, found the seafloor, found a crack in the coral, and crawled inside. And that was the beginning. You grew. And as you grew, something was building inside your body. Not muscle, not armor. A spring, a biological spring, coiled inside your forearm, held in place by a latch loaded, waiting. And the day that latch releases, the world changes. Your club fires at 23 meters per second, 80 kilometers per hour, from a standing start. In water, it accelerates at 10,000 times the force of gravity. And when it hits the water between your club and the target, vaporizes. Instantly, it becomes a cavitation bubble, a tiny pocket of superheated gas, 4,000 degrees Celsius, nearly as hot as the surface of the sun. And for a split second, your prey is hit by something hotter than fire. And when that bubble collapses, it hits again, a second ooter, a shock wave, following the punch. So even if you miss, you don't miss. The shock wave still stuns, still kills, still wins. This is why you can break glass. This is why researchers study your club. To build bulletproof materials, you are a shrimp, that inspired body armor. You eat crabs, snails, clams, things designed to not be eaten, and you open them like they are nothing. But the punch is not even the strangest thing about you. Your eyes are humans. See 3 colors: red, green, blue. You have 16 types of photoreceptors. 16, you see ultraviolet light, infrared light, polarized light. A world we cannot imagine, cannot access, cannot describe, and you patrol it, alone from your burrow. Because for all of this power, for all of this vision, you live in a hole alone. You come out to hunt. You come out to find a mate. And then you go back and some of your kind pair for life, sharing a burrow for 20 years. But if the male dies, the female stays, guarding the eggs, even if it means starving. This is the cost. 400 million years of evolution, the most powerful punch in nature, the most complex eyes in the animal kingdom, and still, you wait, you watch, and when something comes close enough, you don't chase, you don't warn, you strike, and it's already over.